matter with you?
He's left?
Stan? Yes?
Will he be back?
He's gone to get the car grease. Why?
What? I've been half crazy, Stella, when I found that you'd been insane enough to come back in here after what happened last night. I started to rush in after you.
I'm glad you didn't.
What were you thinking of? Answer me. What?
Please, Blanche, sit down and stop yelling.
All right, Stella, I'm going to ask the question quietly now. How could you come back here last night? Why, you must have slept with him.
Blanche, you're making too much fuss about this.
Oh, am I?
Yes, you are, Blanche. I know how it must have seemed, and I'm awful sorry it had to happen, but it wasn't anything as serious as you seem to take it. In the first place, when men are drinking and playing poker, anything can happen. It's always a powder keg, but he didn't know what he was doing. And he was good as a lamb when I came back, and he's really very, very ashamed of himself.
And that makes it all right.
No, it isn't all right for anybody to make such a terrible row, but people do sometimes. Stanley's always smashed things. Well, I know Ed, as soon as we came in here, he snatched off one of my slippers and rushed about the place, smashing light bulbs with it.
He did what?
Smashed all light bulbs with the heel of my slipper.
And you let him. You didn't run, you didn't scream.
I was sort of thrilled by it. Eunice and you had breakfast.
Oh, do you suppose I wanted my breakfast?
There's some coffee left on the stove.
You are so matter-of-fact about it, Stella.
What other can I be? He's taken the radio to get it fixed. It didn't land on the pavement, so only one tube was smashed.
And you are just standing there smiling.
What do you want me to do?
Pull yourself together and face the facts.
What are they in your opinion?
In my opinion, you are married to a madman.